Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore GitHub repo history for a bubble front-end step-by-step clearly. To restore a GitHub repository history for a bubble front-end, start by opening your command line interface. Navigate to the directory where your bubble project is located. If you haven't already, initialize a Git repository by typing Git in it. Next, check if your repository is already connected to GitHub by using the command git remote v. If there is no remote repository, you can create one on GitHub. Once the remote repository is set up, link it to your local repository using git remote add origin, your repo URL. Now, you should check the status of your repository by typing git status. If there are untracked files, stage them using the command git add. You can commit your changes with a message by typing git commit m initial commit. Next, to restore your history, you will need to check out a previous commit. Use the command git log to view your commit history. Find the commit hash you wish to restore and copy it. Now, check out that specific commit using git checkout commit hash. This will set your working directory to that specific commit. If you want to keep the restored changes, create a new branch using git checkout b new branch name. After you have restored your desired commit, consider pulling the latest changes from the main branch. You can do this by switching to your main branch with git checkout main and then typing git pull origin main. Lastly, merge your new branch back into your main branch using git merge new branch name. Now, push the changes back to GitHub using git push origin main. Your repository history for the bubble front end is now successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.